Right, so my mic is currently on, I believe. Right, so my mic on. So guys, I'm going to get me a chicken roti. Um, yeah, I'm going to get me a chicken roti. Um, on the rock road. So I'm going really far for that chicken roti. Chicken roti on the rock road is it good. Um, so I'm going to do a little driving and we're going to talk a bit about forex. Yeah. So how you guys doing? I think I should get enough recording with this. So I actually going to do a little more vlogs and daily stuff. So I'm practicing for this. So I have a device here that I connect my phone to. So how I end up getting this device is like everything was put in place for me to get this device, you know. So recently I purchased some stuff from a website, and on that website they it's humble, right? So on that website that I purchased that stuff from, wow, it's shaking real plenty. So I doubt this thing have any stabilization on it, but boy, it's shaking. It's real shaking. It is shaking. Stabilization. But it's shaking. It is shaking. So I don't think stabilization is fate to be stable. But anyway, wait, this thing shaking. You know, when it'll make some. Yes, I got this thing that this phone is hooked up on, right? Um, I wouldn't say for free. I pay a lot of money for it. But what happened is, um, I shipped something and they send the wrong package for me. So I end up getting like a phone holder. I end up getting a dashboard mat. I end up getting some GPS thing. And the stuff that I bring, I was not able to receive that. So I messaged the company and I sent them some pictures on the stuff that I receive. And I say, hey, this is not the stuff that I actually ordered. Where is my package? And you know, from Trinidad and Tobago, they're gonna charge you a lot of money to clear stuff, right? So they charged me 300 and something dollars to clear. No, I think it was two something. Yeah, two something. Did I say 300 to clear uh, a bag? It was a bag, right? Come in a bag. So they charged me that to clear a bag of items that was not mine. Now, obviously, Trinidad and them not going to refund you or do anything about that. So I message the company and say, hey, so what they're going to do is they say they're going to send me back the money. In the states where I bought my stuff, they're going to send me back a refund of the items that I purchased. And in about 7 days, they actually did send me back the items that I purchased. So hence the reason why the stuff that I pay for actually get like a phone holder. So I say, hey, I can make some content with this, but this is the first test that I'm testing out this thing, and it actually holds the phone really, really properly, but it's shaking too much. It's real bouncing. I need something that is more stable. So if I'm gonna make content in my vehicle, I think that I should look at getting something a bit more stable. Although I got it and it's bouncy, I do like it because it's flexible. I should get something that is less bouncy. Alright, so Yeah, we heading to the Rock Road. Let me flip the camera and show you. Right, so guys, if you are looking to get into Forex in 2025, this would be the channel for you. I'll be dropping some gems. We're going to talk about Forex. We're going to talk about how to start Forex in this video. So my honest opinion and thoughts on trading Forex. This year, not staying consistent or not, but roughly I clocked about 6,000, let's say about six to 50, around 57, 5,800 US. That is how much I made this year and actually withdraw in profit from Forex, right? So that roughly be around 40,000, somewhere around there, you could say about 40,000 TT when you converted it. That was my closer for this year. I'm currently not in any trades. Yeah, so some of the stuff that I did with that money, I did all kind of shoppiness with it. I bought a PS5. Actually bought two PS5, and I bought some stuff. Bought a laptop. I spent, I enjoy. I went out. I eat. Um, yeah. So those are some of the stuff. So next year it's going to be much better year. Hoping that I could double, at least double my profits uh, for 2024. I hope that I can actually double. I'm not playing greedy. I hoping that I could double. Probably I closed 40 this year. Maybe I might close 80, probably around 60. Year before 2023, it was probably about, I would say, I think 2023 was about 30, about 30, I think it was 30. So it was close to this year, was a little close to this year. So I'm hoping that next year I would get some more time and, able to hold my trades a bit longer uh, to accumulate. Look how that phone shaking, boy. Woo! So I hope that I probably could make like 60 to 80. I have some plans for that money, but in Forex, don't make plans for Forex money. Right? Don't make plans for Forex money at all. Right? Yeah, so back to me now. So should be looking at an average 60 to 80. If I could make more next year, that'll be a blessing. Also, I'm looking to grow my channel and actually probably earn an income from YouTube. I believe you can earn an income from YouTube in Trinidad. So I'll be making more content on Forex, doing the things that I'm good at as I'm getting a bit older. All right, so guys, do what is possible? Is it possible to trade Forex in Trinidad and Tobago? Yes. What broker do you use? I have the link in the description of that video. That's the broker I trade with, and I get my money in no time, like in minutes, and I spend it in minutes too. Both ways, with card and without card, right? Um, One of the most easiest way right now to get into Forex is by cryptocurrency deposit. So brokers has cryptocurrency deposits now. So if you have a broker, you can use that, uh, right? And use a crypto deposit. you spend your crypto, or you sell it back to someone in your local area, etc. So one of the easiest way is if you get crypto and deposit it and trade. Also, one of the next easiest way, there's two crypto card. I have two, but I like how one of them is spending. One of them is spending like oil. The link for that card will also be in the description. You can get you can get the physical card, which is cost you about, I think is $100 or $80, somewhere around there. I did get mine on a discount for $75. And what you want to do is your name and stuff. They're gonna ask you to verify the card on the broker. The first one that I got, once you click the link, you're gonna see the crypto card thing. Right. So the first one I got was the digital one, but I don't really use that one to trade. So what I do normally do, I trade with crypto and I top up my card and then I spend, right? But if you want a crypto card to deposit to your broker, you can do that way as well. You can do that way. Um, or if you want to deposit crypto, withdraw crypto, and then put your crypto somewhere, like in a card and spend, you can do that. I do that one. That one is the most simplest one for me, and I do that. The reason why is that because I personally don't like to hold my crypto anymore with any companies. I keep them in my hard wallet. I keep them either in the forex broker, and when I want, I top up my card or etc. That's how simple it is. I do it. For me, that's how I do it. All right, that is how I do it. Right. What made me get into trading? Someone asked me that. So in 2000 and in 2024. So 2017, I was introduced to trading through iMarket Live. I did join iMarket Live. Right, so somebody turn in there. Right, so I was introduced to trading through iMarket Live, and that didn't work out, so I keep on practicing over the years. Was never consistent, still not consistent, but I know how to make my trades, etc. So yeah, I know how to make my trades, etc. So I'm going to get my chicken roti. I hope the place open. They're looking open. They close. Right, so no chicken roti. Right, so no chicken roti. I drive rock road for nothing. Guys, sometimes when you want thing tasting good, you would go the distance to get what you want, right? So I'm enjoying the talk with you guys, right? Um, yeah. So I joined. I was not consistent in and out, and during COVID, I was home. I say I could place a little trade, during COVID, and stay a little consistent in it, and I become a bit more familiar with the charts, because the charts, if you are spending time with something, you are going to become a master of it. So if you line with friends that does smoke, if you line with friends that does drink, you become a master of that art. So, I line with friends that does trade, but they are not from Trinidad. So, I become a bit more understanding of the charts in terms of trading wise, etc. So I got a bit familiar, so I understand. And also, what helped me along the line is that I pay for mentorship. So on YouTube has a lot of information. There's lots of free information. There's lots of free information. I even overwhelm myself with information. So following real traders like that every day, somebody open a video. I'm like the first one to watch to see what I'm getting and what I'm not getting. So, I purchased several courses in terms of trading. I remember the days when I started to trade, you want to come in and out, you're coming in heavy. Sometime on $20, you flip it to 100, you flip it to 200. Who was this trader? I used to do that. Then I saw this trader called Jeremy Cash flip nothing into, and then um there were some other traders doing that as well, and I thought that was basically what trading is. The mindset, and what I'm seeing there, I want to get rich quick. You want to travel the world, you want to do something. But I started to treat trading like, like a sport, like art. And it started to give me a little profits where I'm comfortable at, where I can buy something to eat, where I can buy something additional. That is just for me how I do it, because not everybody journey and experience would be the same in terms of trading. For me, it's all about my greed. So I'm not giving you any financial advice. These videos that I'm making here it is for me, right? It is for myself. So as it is for me, um, I would say I'm proud of myself for sticking to this difficult thing, and I do hope that in the years to come, my knowledge and experience begins to grow and to grow and to grow and to grow and to grow more. Right? Someone asked me a question, I will answer it here, and I will only answer it here. Is trading about the charts? That was the questions. And you look at the charts to see what. Okay, you can look from my experience and the information that I know. It goes two ways, right? Long-term trades does not come from the charts. Remember that. Short-term trades, day trading, etc. You want to see a pattern form on the chart, and you can trade that, right? That is that, and we done with that. I know mentorship probably has it, maybe wanna feel too, but I just wanna stay consistent in the videos and making content, right? And making content. So I'm studying what to get to eat today. I am hungry. I want something. I was feeling for them people roti on the Rock Road, but they closed, boy. And today is Wednesday. Should I get Chinese? Should I get Chinese? So should I get Chinese? I don't know what to eat. Don't know what to eat. Studying what to eat. I am studying what to eat. What should I eat? Barbecue. Nah, I ain't feeling for no barbecue, boy. So, um, yeah, so that is basically how I got into trading during COVID, and I want to be a bit more constant in it. I even like talking about trading. I see myself maybe starting a little business in terms of educating people about trading, etc. Having a little class, maybe doing events in terms of trading in Trinidad. Get some of the people together. Trading is a very boring sport, but you like to talk about it. So I have one or two friends that you know um, was trading for the COVID, and then well, he turned police now, so definitely he ain't have time for that again. Um, you know, so for example, if you're making 1 million from trading a year, obviously you purchase 10 years of your life, so you don't have to work for nobody. That is a plus, right? Um, Also, in my description, I'm going to put for you a prop firm that I joined this year. Um, well, on my normal MD4 account, I made a profit of 40,000 TT. I told you that was my normal personal trade on the MD4 account. The prop firm challenge, I passed on new prop firm way earlier this year. I was not constant in it, but I have the live account where I just place trades on hold, like long term. Um, that one was profitable. I was profitable on that prop firm account uh, with withdrawals. Probably, I would say, how much I went up that boy. I think I went up that like about 4,000. So 4,000 would be about 28,000. Yes, I was profitable on the people from about 28,000. What happened? It would have been more, but I was actually in a drawdown, and it took me a while to gain back and come in profits. And what happened? Um, as the crypto halving, I wanted to trade um, that and hold on to the crypto halving and trade some cryptos there. And I would work on all these things. It slipped my mind, and I just simply forgot. So, the next 4 years, I hopefully believe that I would be way more better off than where I am today, right? Way more better off than where I am today. So, yeah, so I drive from Penal to Rock Road and Rock Road to Penal. You can me talk about Forex. So, all you have to do is watch some videos on YouTube, start a trade, use the link in the description for the broker. Do I recommend demo account? Well, let me tell you something. I'm telling you the truth, right? First thing you should do if you want to get into trading is open up your account. The second thing is understand your candlesticks, your time frame, understand, well, they go say your levels, which is your support and resistance. You understand that. You understand the trading time frame. You understand your candlesticks, right? You trade for about a month or two, Yeah, you trade for about a month or two. And when you do that, seeing what your trade is, start with a live account. And most people is all the time, there is always mix up feelings. When I say feelings, um, they mix up a demo account with a real account. They would feel so confident that, hey, I'm trading demo money, I could get you in live. And when you go live now, you're playing greedy. So basically, the same amount of money that you funding in your real account, fund that in your demo account, right? Right. So same amount of funds. Once you do a verify, you could add how much funds you want in your MT4. You can say I want 100 demo, 200 demo, etc. Um, you can do that, and you can basically add how much funds you want, right, in your demo account. So if you go in a fund with 500 US, you put that in your demo. Trade with that. Understand that because you are not going to get what persons does normally mix up is I have 100,000, 10,000, or 50,000 demo account and you trade in lot sizes, 2 lot, 3 lot, 4 lot, standard, right? Whatever you choose to call it. Um, and you put 100 or $10 or 20 and want to open a standard. So that definitely does not work, and that definitely does not qualify for that type of trading behavior. You would definitely lose your capital, right? Good trade if you have lots of capital. You can open a position for a 0.5 of a percent. 1% is too much. You can do 1%, etc. Or if you have like funded account, you could do 0.5 of a percent or 1% or even less than a way less than a percent, like 0.25 of a percent when trading. Right, so I'm still studying what to eat. I don't know what to eat. I really don't know what to eat. What is the time? 10:45. I mean 12:45. I saying 10:45. I don't know what to eat. All right, so yeah, that is that. So I think that is enough for today. It's like 30 minutes long. Yeah, I think that is enough for today. So guys, see you later.